Welcome back to the channel. We're going to jump right into this. Looking at the chart here, we're going to find out which cryptocurrency is going to have the most potential in their return to give you the most profits, the most gains. First, I want to let you know that I do have a Discord. If you are new to crypto, if you are new to stocks, if you're getting a lot of losers, you're not finding any winners, you're not making those 20-30% gains like you see people on the internet, your friends making, jump in the Discord or jump on my Patreon, sign up for Retire Young Pro. It's $25 a month. It's peanuts. This isn't like a knitting channel where you watch people on a knit. Oh, $25 is expensive. This is investing. You can make $25 in a blink in these markets and you can be a millionaire. So invest in what you feel you're gonna get the return in. You're gonna get the return in crypto and stocks. You're gonna get my portfolio. You're gonna get alerts when I buy stocks, sell stocks, everything you could imagine, all in my Patreon. Check it out, link in the description. So what we're looking at right here, it's not hard to understand. This is very simple. This is a comparison chart I put together of the top 7 cryptocurrencies that I'm watching that I think will have the best recoveries, and I'm gonna show you which one will have the best recovery. Let's dig right into this. So right now we have Bitcoin having the best recovery as of right now, which is actually pretty impressive. Next we have Cardano, then Ethereum, etc. Classic is at the very bottom. But which one is actually going to show the most returns if you were to buy in right now? So let's find that out. So we're going to zoom out a little bit. We can see here the white. We're going to see, grabbing it from here all the way to the top, we have a 25.65% potential return if cryptocurrency moves back to where it was during the rally that we were just in, moves back to that high. So if you believe that crypto is going to go back to where it was, in the white, which is XRP, is going to show the most returns during this rally back to the highs. Let's keep looking here. The next one, which would probably be Classic in the green, grab it here, move it all the way to where its high was, 28%. So I'm sorry, Classic is actually the better one to invest in right now because it's actually much cheaper than XRP in terms of returns, and it was pretty much about the same point as to where XRP was back here. So Classic is actually the winner. Let me check a few others to make sure we're correct, but it looks like Classic 28%, XRP 25%. So these are really good gains. And remember, this fell from its top to the bottom only over the course of 17 hours. So this recovery can snap back very fast at any moment. And we're showing signs of a recovery. I'm gonna dig into that analysis on, we'll use Bitcoin, for example, because Bitcoin is shifting and moving these markets. I'll do an analysis to show you if we will recover. We're going to do that after this comparison. So let's check Bitcoin. Bitcoin clearly is not going to be there. 12% if you want to invest in Bitcoin. That's the potential return if it does bounce back to where it was. Let's check Ethereum. Not going to cut it either. 12%. Litecoin in the pink might do something decent. Here we go, to its high, 23%, so Litecoin is in third place. Cardano won't cut it, 13%. Cardano is actually having a really good recovery right now, a strong recovery. It's up there with Ethereum and Bitcoin. Obviously, the top 3 are having the 3 strongest recoveries. That's where the majority of money is flowing because those 3 you're more likely to have less risk with. And let's check Doge, last but not least. 23%. So Doge is up there as well. So Doge has actually been being held down a lot more than usual. So I don't know what's going on with Doge. So Doge is definitely one that I think is going to blast off very aggressively, very hard soon, maybe during this recovery. Maybe it's going to lead the recovery. We don't know. I don't guess on this channel. I just analyze the charts, do technical analysis, and show predictions on bullish and bearish scenarios. So that's the analysis. We have those coins that show the best crypto coins to buy for the biggest returns, bouncing back if you believe it's going to go back to where it was. But we're going to right now jump into the chart on a single chart and see if it's actually going to happen. So we're going to use Bitcoin for example because Bitcoin does shift the markets. If you see your crypto coin go up, it's not leading the markets. Bitcoin is leading the markets. Sometimes Ethereum leads the markets. Sometimes Cardano leads the markets. It's less likely that the smaller coins are leading the markets. As of right now, Bitcoin is swinging us all around. First thing I want to do is just show you guys where the resistance points are on Bitcoin. Then we're going to look out at a bird's eye view a little further out. Take a look at it in a more wider view. So the resistance points right now, Bitcoin already broke out of one of them, which was right around here, which was a green flag, 46.8. It broke out of there. So that's now our support. So if you are holding onto your crypto coins and you're looking to get out, if you don't want to take any losses, you're like ready to hit that trigger, you're not long term, you're looking to maybe make a swing, or you're just nervous, you want a cheaper price. Watch 46.8 on Bitcoin. If we break below that, maybe cut losses, get out, break even, you might be able to get cheaper prices. Our next challenge, our next resistance is at 47.3, 88, 390, somewhere around there. I'm not zooming in too closely on an exact number, but 47.3, 88, 390, somewhere around there. That's our next resistance. After that, we have one left, and then we're back into a full recovery. It's going to be looking good after that. 47.628 is our final one. A bunch of tight resistances. They're very close together because we're just bouncing around in this channel after this massive correction, and we're looking to get out. But it takes time. It takes time for investors to see, all right, are we holding here? Yeah, we're holding. Time to buy in, and then we're going to push back up very fast. But we need to hold. Bitcoin right now is looking to come down, maybe test this 46.8. I might not even be able to get this video out. So zooming out, if you are jumping into any of these crypto coins now, you might be saying, oh my God, I get in and it finally goes down. It's had an incredible rally since mid-July. It had a crazy rally. I mean, look at this. Ran all the way up to here. That's a horrible drawing. It ran all the way up to here in this channel, and now it came down a little bit. It's a correction. That's a big run up. So we're going to chop around here. Eventually, we're going to push up, blast off. El Salvador's using this as a currency. They're buying candy bars and sodas with this. It's all looking good. More countries are going to come on board. Use Bitcoin as their currency. That's what we've been saying about crypto forever. So now it's actually happening. Countries are actually using this as money. It's crazy. So more countries are going to come aboard, and the price is going to keep going up. We're not going to let a country fail if this is their currency, and this is supposed to be the currency of the future. It's looking good. So I wanted to look at Cardano as well because I have a pretty nice position in Cardano. If you're not watching RSI, what are you doing? You need to watch RSI. Just turn it on whatever platform you're using. I think all of them have it at this point. Once we go blue, that means you buy. All right, that's the bounce area. You could have grabbed it here in the 2 to 220 range, and then you would have been holding very saucy. You would be up. It's at 256 right now. So Cardano smart contracts are around the corner. That's a big update for them. I believe it's the 12th it's going to drop. So a lot of people may be selling there. So if you're looking to get in, that's going to be your opportunity because a few days after, we're going to lift off. We might just lift off right when they drop. You just don't know. If you knew, you'd be billionaire. But you don't. No one knows. So just play the charts, follow the charts, and see what's going on. So personally, I believe Litecoin is going to have the strongest move because it's moving the most aggressive. So my pick is actually Litecoin. Even though it didn't have the highest percentage, Litecoin is looking very saucy. I think Litecoin is going to bounce up right back to its highs. It's going to take time. These bounces, if you look at the charts, the recoveries, they don't have the strong recoveries like they do the waterfalls down. They don't bounce up the same. It takes time. They chop up slowly and get there. But I think this sell-off is going to help us bounce harder and higher and catapult us to even higher highs. So that's what I'm watching for. But I like Litecoin. I know Litecoin's not a favorite. People like Doge. People like XRP and Solana. But I personally think something's going on with Litecoin. Because remember, a majority of people are using Robinhood to trade crypto because it's free. So Litecoin is available on Robinhood. You can't buy XRP, you can't buy Cardano, you can't buy Solana on Robinhood. So the majority of the volume is going to get pushed into Litecoin. It's cheap. It's also undervalued. It's also better in Bitcoin in terms of how the technology is working. Bitcoin is more mainstream, but Litecoin is faster and cheaper. So Litecoin, once Litecoin breaks out of this 190, 192 range right over here, these tops over here, we're going to lift off, and Litecoin could clear that 191, clear 200, and just go. It could just go. So if it climbs all the way back to where it was, I'll take the 24% gain. That's where my money is. It's also at a bunch of other coins. If you want to see my crypto portfolio, if you want alerts right to your phone, bing, they pop up. When I buy a crypto, when I sell crypto, when I buy stocks, I'm still buying stocks and selling stocks. Even though crypto is shooting out way more gains, I'm still dabbling in both. You got to be 50-50 split and diversified. If you want access to that, link in the description. It's called Retire Young Pro. It's crypto and stock alerts. Sign up for that if you're interested. It also comes with a Discord, so you can chat with me and see daily breakout charts. That's it. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Don't forget, by hitting that button, it's going to get you a little bit closer to retiring young.